Hamster Kombat mini game key puzzle for today. Make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. We're also providing free key in our Telegram channel. Use the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section to join the Telegram channel. So follow me as I show you step by step on how it is done. Move the green candle at the top to the left. The green candle at the middle, move it to the right. The red candle, you move it downward. Then the key, you slide it to the left. The red candle, you move it downward. The green candle, you slide it to the left. Then the red candle here, you slide it upward. The green candle at the middle, you move it to the right. Then the red candle, you move it up. The two red candle, you move it up. Then the green candle, you return it to the left. Then the red candle, you move it downward. The green candle at the top, you move it to the right. The red candle, you move it upward. The key, you slide it to the middle. The red candle, you move it upward. The green candle, you move it to the left. The red candle, you slide it. Then the key, you slide it. Boom. You get it. Watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. And more importantly, join our Telegram channel for you to be getting hot update on how to make money online. The link in the description of this video, also in the comment section. See you next time for more updates.